Hi all, good morning. Welcome to Myttre's Kitchen. So on the eve of World Biryani's Day, which is today, July 3rd, 2022, so we are going to do chicken biryani in pressure cooker. The main ingredients to do our chicken biryani is follows. We have taken 1 bay leaf. These are the items required for doing our chicken biryani masala. 1 bay leaf, 3 cardamom, half tablespoon of pepper, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 1 mace, 1 to 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds and coriander seeds, followed with 5 to 6 cloves and cumin seeds 2 tablespoons. Along with this, we are going to add the following items to do our chicken biryani in the pressure cooker. We are going to take oil and ghee in equal mixture, followed with bay leaves, cloves, cardamom, 2 big onions, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, 2 tomatoes, mint leaves and coriander leaves, half a cup of yogurt, which is our curd, 250 grams of chicken, for which I have taken 300 grams of basmati rice, which is soaking for almost 20 minutes, and the required amount of salt. So these are the main ingredients that is needed to do our chicken biryani in pressure cooker. So let us see the step-by-step process. Step is, I have taken a pan. We are going to fry all these said items one by one. So starting with our bay leaves, 4 cardamom, 1 cinnamon stick, javitri, cardamom. We have already added cardamom. We have added our cloves, followed with star anise. Star anise is just to enhance this taste and the smell of the biryani. Followed with our 1 tablespoon of fennel seeds and 1.5 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Fry everything well. We need to make this to a fine powder. This is our freshly grounded biryani powder. Along with this, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. This masala can be used even for our veg biryani. It will give very nice taste. In place of chicken, we can add paneer and all the other veggies. It will give a very nice taste. So keep trying it. So let us fry it to a slight brown color and make it to a dry powder. So friends, you can find all are nicely toasted to a slight brown color. So let us blend it to a dry powder in our mixie jar and then see what is next. Here goes our chicken biryani masala powder, dry powder, which is done instantly, very fresh. So let us see what is next. Pan. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of refined oil, followed with refined oil. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of ghee. You can add the normal ghee or the desi ghee, whichever you prefer. Now let us add one by one items. The ingredients we are going to add: 2 bay leaves, 2 green chili and 3 cloves. You can add the green chili as per the spice level you wanted. I have added small 3 numbers. So as it is getting tossed, we need to add our onions, sliced onions, 2 big, fry it nicely. Add the required amount of salt so that the onion gets cooked quickly. As the onions are getting cooked, we need to add our freshly grounded ginger garlic paste. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste into it. It's already measured and kept. Toss it well. I'm going to add a pinch of turmeric powder, followed with chili powder. Be cautious while adding the chili powder, as we have added chili and also pepper. Then sliced tomato, 2 numbers. Let all this get cooked well and get smashed nicely. All the oil is come out. At this stage, I'm going to add 1 cup of thick yogurt. Give a quick mix. All the yogurt, everything is finely gelled with our items. In this, we are going to add our freshly grounded chicken masala, dry powder, Just gonna add the required amount. The remaining you can have it in a airtight container, and as said, you can use it for veg biryani as well. I've added 3 tablespoons of it. As we add this, give a quick mix, and now we are gonna add 300 grams of chicken with bone. Always try to do biryani with bone, that enhances the smell and the taste. So just add washed 300 grams of chicken pieces. Toss it well and let us have it for 5 minutes. It will get nicely boiled. So friends, you can find all the chickens are getting nicely cooked. It's nicely getting cooked. At this stage you can add the mint leaves and coriander leaves. I'm just adding the coriander leaves. So followed with our coriander leaves, we are going to add our soaked basmati rice into it. As said, I have taken 300 grams of basmati rice for 250 grams of chicken. Add it, and for 2 glasses of basmati rice, you will need to add 3 glasses of water and pressure cook it for 2 whistles, and let us see what is next. Find the chicken is nicely getting boiled. At this stage, you can find we are just going to close the lid and cook it for 2 whistles in medium flame and off the gas. It's almost cooked 50%, so let us have it pressure cooked for 2 more whistles. The pressure is almost released, so let us see how is our chicken biryani in the pressure cooker. Yes, so it's come out very well. You can find all our rice grains are nicely cooked. Yes, it's nicely cooked. So let us have it served hot. So friends, here goes our chicken biryani in the pressure cooker. So please do try this recipe. So watch my video, share my video, subscribe to my channel. We'll come up with another yummy recipe shortly. Happy cooking, stay safe, bye bye.